Sukdar Bridge reaching out to the tide. Sukchai Pavilion waits at the end. Evening sun paints the sky in gold. Seagulls are soaring, 1,000 unfold. Black-tailed wings, I'm longing for you. White-edged feathers were friends ever true. Bamboo by the sea, where our hearts entwine, side by side watching your hand in mine. This fleeting season brings us so near. Through countless cities you've journeyed in fear, escaping the cold, the bitter, the cruel. You found gentle warmth in bamboo's rule. From Siberian winds, from Mongolian skies, flying southward where sunlight lies. Here in Thailand we finally meet. Two fragile hearts find shelter sweet. Oh, Seagull, you've come to rest. Found a haven where love feels blessed. So to my soul discovered its place in bamboo's embrace, in your gentle grace. But when winter ends, we must drift apart. Seasons will scatter what bound our hearts. You'll fly away, yet I will remain, keeping our love in this tender frame. Our love was born on bamboo shore. The seagull's flight tells my heart for sure. Though time may scatter, I still implore, come back, my seagull, and heal once more.